When machining complex parts, minimizing the number of setups needed to complete the manufacturing process can be key to reducing cycle times whilst maintaining a high-quality surface finish. 5-axis machines can make this easier, so it is essential that you're able to produce reliable toolpaths that use your machine tool's capabilities to its fullest. To help with this, Fusion 360 has a variety of multi-axis toolpath strategies. In this example, we'll be looking at how the multi-axis option within the contour toolpath can help minimize the number of setups needed to finish this part, which, as you can see from the Accessibility Analysis tool, contains some undercut regions. Parts like this would be impossible to fully machine with a straight-sided tool in a 3-axis configuration. However, this problem can be overcome by using the multi-axis tilting option. First, notice that in the Tool tab, the shaft and holder option has been ticked, with shaft and holder clearance distances set to 1 and 3 mm respectively. Once the correct geometry we wish to machine has been selected, and the desired cutting parameters are set, we can move to the Tool Axis tab, switch on the multi-axis tilting option, and then set the maximum tilt, maximum segment length, and maximum tool axis sweep values. Once calculated, we can view the generated toolpath that will machine our part, capturing the undercut regions of our pocket. Observing the simulation, we can see how the tool begins in a vertical 3-axis configuration to machine the top area of the selected pocket, to then start tilting to avoid any potential collisions between the tool assembly and the component, as the toolpath passes move down towards the bottom of the selected geometry. With a wide range of multi-axis toolpaths available, Fusion 360 can help you maximize the output of your 5-axis machines, maintaining a high-level surface finish and minimizing cycle times.